Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, why is ground beef so important?
Why ground beef is such a staple in our house, and why it needs to be probably the centerpiece of the meat on your plate in your house. For one, it's the cheapest cut that comes off of our grass-fed cattle. Two, it's the most abundant cut. So while I would love to eat tenderloin every meal, there's not enough tenderloin on each animal. We wouldn't be able to feed all of us with just tenderloin or just ribeye. And in order to create bird habitat, we have to be supporting the ranchers who do that good work. The way we support them is we buy an entire live animal from them, and we pay them a premium, which they deserve because they are doing so many good things. Not only are they raising nourishing, healthy beef for us without antibiotics or hormones or grain or feedlots, but they're doing it in a way and they're managing their cattle in a way that creates bird habitat. And we need that bird habitat if we're going to stop the decline of grassland bird populations. But we buy a whole animal from them. And that means we have to sell all the pounds of nourishing, good, healthy beef off of those animals in order to be able to pay them the premium. And that means all of us need to learn to prepare ground beef in a way that's just as delicious as a ribeye or a strip or a top sirloin or a tenderloin. And the first thing that you need to know about doing that is thaw it out completely, bring it to room temperature before you cook it, and don't overcook it.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.